Guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. Today with the Haunted Church. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, because...
Oh, that was fast, so fast. Dude, no, dude, I'm fucking scared as shit.
Yeah, but guys...
Dude, no way, I saw something right there.
I saw a shadow.
Same.
I wish Kenny was here again. But what he did, because he had to go fishing, and then leave us here.
Oh, guys, go buy some of these. You can charge your phone. And then there's a cool. They used to be in the box, you know. I have a box. He let me use this.
Yeah.
Holy shit! Hey guys, we will stay the night here
Fuck nobody.
if this video, I know it's not gonna happen,
A billion...
100 likes.
No, a billion
No,
likes.
you shut up. No, we can't take that back.
I'm not.
100 likes.
My phone died. Bro, I swear my phone within 50. I just turned it on.
Take it, here, take it.
It's in 5.
Take it.
Wait, oh my god.
Dude, your phone was a 50 and it's a 5?
Like literally, I just turned it on like let's say like 3 minutes ago.
No. My light went out. Dude, I'm not lying.
In my life.
My light. It won't go back on. Fucking bitch. It won't.
Yo, you can turn mine on.
Dude, we have to get out of here. Oh, shit.
Oh my god, bro. I saw
Let's get out. Let's go out.
Oh my god, bro.
Let's go.
This is so scary.
Dude.
Oh my god. Oh, it doesn't have to be sneaky because the other time we came here, me, Kenny, and his cousin, we got in trouble.
Yeah, guys.
We got in trouble.
No, and then my friend saw something up there and that was not there.
Yeah, it wasn't broken, I think. I don't think it because it was a long time since.
Then he went running and slipped right there.
Yeah,
Go subscribe, thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, 100 likes, and we'll stay here.
Okay. Oh my god.
Show me that I'm wrong and that you guys can do that.
Please don't. I don't want to stay here. I beg you.
Okay. Bye.